Tired of wishing your DIY projects would magically complete themselves? Time to turn those wishes into reality. Meet Jamie, a frustrated renter with a wish list longer than a Toronto winter. From creaky doors to dull walls, Jamie dreams of transforming their apartment into a cozy haven. Enter St. Lawrence Pro Hardware. Jamie steps into the store, greeted by a friendly staff member who hands over a glowing hammer. Yes, you heard that right, a glowing hammer. With a wink, the magical tool starts guiding Jamie through the aisles, pointing out the perfect products for every item on the wish list. Fast forward to a whirlwind of DIY action. Jamie paints walls, fixes doors, and installs new shelves, all with a little help from their enchanted hammer. The apartment goes from drab to fab in no time. Finally, Jamie's space is ready, and they host a warm gathering with friends, laughter echoing through their beautifully transformed home. St. Lawrence Pro Hardware, making your DIY dreams come true. Because sometimes a little magic is all you need.